Alright guys, welcome to another video. Give it a second. Alright guys, welcome to another video on RC's Prince. My name is RC, and I'm gonna just make these videos like I do my Instagram videos. Straight off the dome. Lately, last video, you saw this one getting built. I took off the straps. I started working on a new system to attach everything together. I really want to step it up and use magnets instead, so it's like easier to just remove and put it back on. And it also turns out that this helmet was a little bit too small, so I ended up making another one, and this one is perfect. I made it 2% bigger than the last one. It's still not glued together. It's not welded together, and this one feels better. It just fits my head easier. And the way to put it on, it's gonna be just this, the side piece and the back piece. That's what's gonna be detachable. Like, this is all gonna be one solid piece. Right now, I'm working on the brim because I forgot to make that piece, and this one's too small, so I'm making two more. Now for the armor pieces, I made the chest. I did buy it, obviously. I made the chest piece. I need to order some foam, some like 3-4 millimeter foam, because it does require something this way as well. You'll see reference pictures somewhere in here, I don't know where. Shoulder piece right here. It's pretty easy. Again, more you're kind of wearing more down here, not up here. It's more down here, yeah, the bicep area. Put more foam under that to cover the hand. The right arm, I do plan on getting some vinyl and gluing it onto this Star Wars Colonial, or it's a Star Wars costume from Amazon. It should be right here. Put some on that. I haven't made the wrist yet. I do plan on making them soon. And this thing right here, yeah, looks like something a cop would wear, right? So these are the thigh piece. I know that's better. It looks like something a cop would wear. These are the thigh pieces, and I made a little system to where the weapons are detachable. Hey, I'm into magnets now. They're detachable, go in and out. The inspector outfit does have only one thigh piece, but friends of mine and the Discord that I'm in told me I should make both, so I made two. Go akimbo, why not? Another video I can show you how I made this. Is pretty simple. Literally, if you guys should go on Fusion 360, simple geometry. It's very, very simple. And then the negative of this here. And then this, I finished the top piece, the top rail. If you see there's a little gap there, I tried printing that piece 4 times now. For some reason, it does not want to print. It's literally a flat rectangle. That's all it is. It doesn't want to print. So what I'm gonna do, take a 3D pen and just that simple. And that. But other than that, she's amazing. She looks beautiful. Oh, there's something else that's done too. Haha, I've been very busy. It's fully complete. It's all welded together. It's all glued. The knife, I didn't feel like putting it here because it was gonna be fragile. It's gonna break, so I'll have the knife either somewhere, make something for it. This weapon is beautiful. I love it. It's just gorgeous. Like, I just talk for hours for it. But yeah, it's done. It was pretty simple to make. It has 2 rails inside of it going this way, and then 2 rails right here, and got them off of Home Depot. That's pretty much what I've been up to. I would like to make update videos like this, see if they do well, because I do make a lot of things. I just don't report them. I just do them, and they're all on my Instagram. Like, my progress is in my Instagram. Anybody that's watching this and is interested in my Instagram videos, I'll probably make them here, like little reels. Comment down below, and have a good day.